wind down, you know. It's a gathering. There's no work tonight, so this is really, you know, time to catch up and yeah, see who's here, and you know, hopefully get to bond with my old-time friends. Yeah.
So, any message for Star Magic Management for holding this first Pure Magic party?
I'm just really honored and happy to be here along with the other artists. I'm thankful to Star Magic for gathering us, you know. It only means that Star Magic is not all about work. You know, sometimes we also know how to party, we also know how to kind of slow down and just really enjoy the fruits of our hard work. So I'm thankful to Star Magic for spearheading such an event. At least, you know, we get to bond with our fellow Star Magic artists, you know, during the night.
Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy the night.
Well, I live my life one day at a time, as long as I know I'm living within the boundaries of what is right. Always just pray for not just blessings, but favor and protection.
Valentine's plans maybe for next month? Wala pa naman. So far wala pa. Baka anong araw yun? Baka May 1. Alright. Question?
Who design your clothes?
Wala ako.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Sa pag-approach sa life.
Of course, ongoing po ang Playhouse. Ano po bang abangan sa inyo ngayong taon?
Well, medyo marami-rami. May mga pelikula, may mga teleseries. So, hopefully, may mga mangyari dun sa mga yun.
Yes, of course. Pwede po bang pag-ibang
Kasi ano talaga siya, parang secret lang, no? Hindi siya ganun na lang.
secret lang ba to?
No naman, because everybody's here. So, medyo lang.
Parang hindi alam ng mga fans. Parang nagulat sila.
Saya din.
Valentine's preparation. Any plans?
Sa hospital.
Ba't pa sa hospital?
Pero na ako. So tuloy na operation mo bukas? Bukas daw, sabi ko.
Bukas?
Oo, bukas.
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo alam.
Taping tayo bukas 7 AM nga call time mo eh.
Kaya pakap na ako.
Speaking of taping, how is it? So far, ang ganda ng reception.
Sobrang maganda. Ang ganda nung The General Store. Sobrang galing ng mga kasama namin. And grabe talaga yung support ng mga tao sa The General's Daughter kasi, di ba, rating na nagsasabi kung anong klase yung The General's Daughter. I'm so happy na kasama kami dalawa.
Excited na din kaming makita at lumabas kami.
Oo, kasi parang nakaka-isang eksena pa lang ako eh. Siya, hindi pa siya lumalabas.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Second stop kayo, Ron.
Ikaw?
Sa akin, siguro iwasan ko yung pagkain.
Alam, wala na yung mga punchline ko lang nung binabara.
Bakit naman kasi bad boy ka? Yun lang, gusto ko lang magpapayan.
Gusto pa niya? Talaga ba? Alam nga ba nga sa inyong dalawa? Of course, The General's Daughter meron. Meron pa ba kayong mga upcoming projects this year?
Meron po. Sana matuloy. Siyempre, mahirap naman kung umaasa kami, hindi naman kami talaga. Sana yung mapasa amin na yung projects na darating pa.
Okay. Lois, magbabantay ka ba sa ospital pag natuloy yung
Oo
therapy
naman,
niya?
doon ako, hindi mo lang magtitaping.
Parang kayo hindi magte-taping.
Wala kami pera.
Sabi niya doon na kayo magsa-celebrate ng Valentine's. Gusto mo doon siya ng apple, ng everything.
Pang pelikula. Hindi, papantayan ko siya kung sakaling magpapa-opera na nga siya talaga.
Are you hoping na yun sana magtuloy-tuloy na?
Kaya niya matapang yan si bad boy yan.
Tapang ako.
Okay, thank you.
Just one question. What can you say about the event for tonight? This is the first Pure Magic event. So what can you say and how you feel? Valentine's plans?
No, but let's see.
Alright.
But let's see.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Second stop. Just one question. How can you say? What can you say about the Pure Magic event?
I'm excited because it's our first time to do this kind of event, and I can't wait to see my fellow Star Magic artists again. Just something.
Jaya, is this the first time magkikita kayo ni Elba? Again? Or
Since when?
since
Canada, I guess. Yeah.
yeah. Alright. Nag-usap pa kayo? No? Alright. Any Valentine's plan next month?
Valentine's what?
Plans next month?
I'll just probably stay at home and read. That's it.
We have other manliligaw right now or wala naman entertain?
I'm just focusing on myself, and that's not showbiz. That's serious.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Second stop.
Salamat kayo.
Ikaw, Julian.
With a bang! God is good.
Meron ba kayong New Year's resolution? New Year's resolution?
Ayaw na namin nagaganit kasi alam naman namin hindi nasusunod. So, we'll just keep doing good and we'll be good children.
Ano lang, pag-greet lang kami ng happy 15th anniversary.
Happy 15th.
Aray, kinuha ka lang na. Ayan. Kamusta? At paano nyo ba inumpisa na yung taon?
Masaya. Inumpisa namin ito namin kasama yung pamilya namin kasi celebrate po ako sa Japan. Yung mama ko at saka yung pamilya ko.
Yung Edward.
For us, it's a year full of goals. So nagsimula ako, nagsimula ko yung mga goals ko. So, kung gusto nyo malaman, itayin natin inabot ko yung goals ko. Kinaya ko, sabihin ko. O hindi.
Meron pa kayong New Year's resolutions? Kayo ba? New Year's resolutions?
New solution, siguro po mas i-enhance pa namin yung craft namin.
Yun talaga yun. Para this year, improve in every aspect of our life.
Pwede bang pati na rin yung 15th anniversary?
Mayward, Marco is back. Gusto niyo daw kayo makatrabaho ulit. Marco Gallio, di ba balik na sa Pilipinas? Di ba? Balik na siya sa Pilipinas and back na showbiz.
Makakasama namin sa BBB Online.
Wow, talaga. May binuko siya nung pagka nandun siya sa Italy, nagtagtag sa'yo pagka meron kayong tampuhan dalawa, may tampuhan kayo, nagsusumo kayo sa kanya. Anong next project niya? Next project?
Next project saan, hindi pa namin alam. Pero abangan po nila yung upcoming album namin isa-isa.
Wow.
Tapos,
Sometime this year, may concert kami naman.
Saan gagawin? Meron ng...
pero hindi pa namin alam.
Okay, thank you, Mayward.
Thank you guys. Thank you.